In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify domain errors. If your custom domain isn't connecting or you're seeing a warning in your store, this walkthrough will help you get it sorted quickly and correctly. Start by logging in to your Shopify admin. From your dashboard, head down to Settings, then click Domains. Here you'll see the domains connected to your store. Select the one that's showing an error to open its status page. This page tells you what Shopify is expecting and what might be missing, so keep it open as a reference while you make changes. Next, you'll check your DNS settings with your domain provider, the company where you purchased your domain. In a new tab, sign into your domain account and find the DNS section. It may be called DNS Management, DNS Zone, or Advanced DNS. You're looking for two records, an A record for your root domain and a CNAME record for the www version of your domain. For the A record, make sure the value points to 23.227.38.65. This record controls your root domain, which is yourdomain.com, without the www. The host or name field is often just @ to indicate the root. The value or points to field must be exactly 23.227.38.65. Even a single digit off will break the connection. For the www version, use a CNAME record that points to shops.myshopify.com. Set the host or name to www, and in the value or target field, enter shops.myshopify.com exactly as shown. Don't use an IP address here. CNAME records always point to a host name, not a number. Also avoid adding http/ or https/ and watch out for unintended spaces or extra periods. After you've confirmed both records, save your DNS changes in your domain provider. Saving is important. DNS updates don't take effect until they're stored. Now return to your Shopify domains page and click Verify Connection. Shopify will check your DNS setup, and if everything is correct, begin linking your domain. Be aware that DNS changes can take time to propagate across the internet. It may update quickly, or it can take up to 48 hours to fully settle. During this window, you might still see a pending or error status. That doesn't necessarily mean something's wrong. Just give it time. Final tip: tiny typos cause big headaches. Double check for extra spaces, stray periods, or misspelled host names in your records. Once everything is precise, Shopify should verify your domain automatically. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.